In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Gemini. If you prefer a softer look that's easier on the eyes, especially at night, dark mode is a great choice. It can reduce glare, make text feel more comfortable to read, and even save a bit of battery on devices with OLED screens. Let's walk through it together so you can switch your interface in just a few seconds. First, open your Gemini account. You can do this on your phone, tablet, or computer, whatever you typically use. Make sure you're signed in so the change applies to your account. If you're using an app, it's a good idea to keep it up to date to ensure all appearance options are available. Once you're in, give the interface a moment to load so you see the full menu. Next, click Settings. Look for a gear icon, which is commonly in the top corner of the screen, or open the main menu to find settings listed there. On some layouts, you might see your profile icon. Tapping that often reveals settings as well. Don't worry if the exact placement looks slightly different. Just focus on finding the settings area where display and preference controls usually live. Here you will see options. This section typically includes items like notifications, security, and most importantly for us, appearance or theme. If you don't immediately see appearance, scroll a bit or open any sub-menu that mentions display or personalization. The wording can vary, but you're looking for the control that changes how the interface looks. Now simply select Dark. As soon as you choose Dark, the interface should switch automatically, updating backgrounds, panels, and text colors to a darker palette. You might also see options like Light or System Default. If System Default is available, that means Gemini can match your device's theme automatically. But for a consistent experience across devices, selecting SARC will keep it in dark mode regardless of your system setting. If the change doesn't appear right away, give it a second or navigate to a different page within Gemini to confirm it's applied. That's it. You're now using dark mode in Gemini. If you ever want to switch back, return to the same settings area and pick Light or your preferred theme. For the best readability, adjust your screen brightness to a comfortable level after enabling dark mode. And if you didn't see the appearance option, make sure your app or browser is current and that you're signed into the correct account. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new, more comfortable viewing experience.